Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets, and we start off with the local bourse that has slipped into the red today. Of course, it did get a red handover from the Asian markets. And this is amid trade data coming out of China. We did have exports in November surprising to the upside, climbing when markets expected a fall there, but imports falling when the expectations were for a rise. So the all share on the day declining more than 0.8%, with the financial 15 they're carrying most of those losses, shedding almost 2%. Industrial 25 also declining more than 0.5%, and the resources 10 complex there losing almost 1/3%. Let's take a look at what is happening in the U.S. markets, and of course markets digesting labor data there, of course, after signs of a cooling labor market from the October JOLTS job openings and the November ADP private payrolls. Weekly jobless claims today seem to suggest a healthy labor market, with claims falling. Of course, tomorrow the markets will be sifting through the November non-farm payrolls. We are seeing a sea of green over there. We do have the tech-heavy Nasdaq leading up more than 1%, S&P 500 climbing more than 2/3%, and the Dow there with an uptick of 0.07%. Let's take a look at what is happening with markets across the Atlantic. A sea of red over there. FTSE 100 declining almost 0.1%. The CAC 40 down more than 0.1%, and the DAX also declining by almost a similar margin.